umbrella. Welcome back to my channel. This video we will be continuing with the Dubai series, and this was my first visit to Dubai. And what better way to spend Mother's Day than surrounded by 150 million flowers at the world famous Dubai Miracle Garden. It was extremely hot. As I mentioned in the previous video, it was May, just days before the garden closed for the season. But the beauty was worth every drop of sweat. Join me as I walk through the heart-shaped arches, on the vibrant displays, that is whimsical floral sculptures, and this unforgettable oasis in the desert. If you haven't seen the first video in the series, be sure to check that one out too. Let's get into this colorful journey. Remove your umbrella. I gotta learn how to I'm well. Thank you. From the other side of the garden.
Ah, sister. Why you hungry? Come.
Let me see it first. Let me see. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Wait, this one? No, we just use. I don't want to buy anything. I just want some juice. You want some juice?